First, focus on your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling the cool air entering your nostrils. With each breath, imagine calmness flowing into you. Acknowledge any feelings of anxiety or nervousness you have about skiing. It's perfectly normal to feel this way when trying something new. Remember, every expert skier once stood where you are now. Now, in your mind's eye, picture a beautiful snowy slope. It's a clear, bright day, and the sun is shining gently on the white, pristine snow. The trees around are dusted with snow, creating a peaceful winter wonderland. Imagine yourself getting ready to ski. You are putting on your ski gear. Feel the snug fit of your boots, the weight of the skis in your hands. Notice how you are methodically preparing, ensuring everything is just right. Sense the support around you, the ski instructor who will guide you, the friends or family who are there with you. You are not alone. The ski community is welcoming and helpful, always ready to assist a beginner. Visualize yourself at the start of the slope. Take a deep breath. Feel the excitement mixed with nervousness. Now, see yourself gently pushing off. You are skiing. The sensation is new, a bit uncertain, but exhilarating. As you continue to ski in your mind, imagine sometimes you wobble, maybe you even fall. That's okay. Each time, you get back up. With every fall, you learn, you grow. Skiing is a journey, not just a destination. Focus on the small victories, the first successful turn, the feeling of the snow under your skis, the cool mountain air. These small moments are monumental in your journey. Bring your focus back to your breath. Inhale the crisp mountain air. Exhale any remnants of fear. With each breath, feel more relaxed, more confident. Repeat to yourself, silently or aloud, I am capable, I am learning, I am enjoying this journey. I embrace this new experience with an open heart and mind.